Hey guys, we received these BUNMO magnetic rings or the Fidget toys for test and try. So these are the pack of 9 rings. So I will show this to you. So basically they are a ring with the plastic rotation inside and the magnetic touch outside. So vibrant, nice colors, as you can see, pair of 9 rings. So I will just show you some rings in here. You can see there are plastic rotation inside. You can easily with your ring, and then this can also attach with each other with this magnetic strength, very nice strong magnets. So where you can put all these magnets together and then play with them for hours or have fun with it. So it's really like nice thing as they have the magnetic stuff and then the rotating plastic base inside. So you can easily put it in your finger and then just enjoy whatever the way you want. So they are really nice, and there's a rainbow color, black color, and it's total 9. So three for each shade is around the 0.747 inches in the width and 1.18 inches in the diameter. So the outside diameter is 1.18 inches, inside diameter is 0.75 inches with a nice. So you can see like the whole fun thing and really nice and uh, fun stuff for the kids or adults as well. And then just me just put all this thing. You can also they show like make it a track and then put one ring together to get it attached. So you can use all the different one. The manual or the some the play tips are provided that you can use or you can read and make your own games. So overall, they are really very nice built premium quality magnetic rings for hours to play and have fun.